Free recipe ebook. AquaFrut Premium Infuser Water Bottle comes with a free starter guide and recipe ebook. It contains the best infusing recipes that will get you started right away for a healthier lifestyle. Large capacity. Our 32 ounces bottle features a full-length fruit chamber. It can hold more fruits than our competitors, so you get to enjoy more intense flavored hydration. BPA Free Leak Proof. AquaFrut infusers are made of premium Eastman TRITAN. Not only is TRITAN durable and shatter-proof, it's 100% BPA free. No harmful chemicals for your hydration needs. Silicone seals and locking latch ensures a worry-free leak-proof experience. Ready to go anywhere that you are. Perfect for gym, work and beach. Stylish design. Featuring non-slip grip, secure lid locking latch, easy drinking spout, convenient carrying hook in a stylish design that fits most cars' cup holders. Large 32 ounces volume and big infuser basket holds more fruit and water, increases flavor, reduces refilling needs. Lifetime warranty. We're so confident in the build and craftsmanship of our bottle, each one comes with a lifetime warranty. If you're not absolutely satisfied with our bottle for any reason, let us know and we'll refund or replace it right away. Get your AquaFrut infuser bottle now. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice, although mine dropped off my kitchen table and the clear plastic top in aqua. Tabki. I loved placing different slices of fruit in the inner tube. I filled it with ice every day and added water. Yesterday, my AquaFrut fell off my kitchen table. The top broke into 2 pieces. I am so disappointed as it will not shut and it is no longer leak-proof. I would love to purchase a new lid. I have the aqua color.